Hello everyone. So this is the 3D printer that we have made here, and we are ready to launch it as a product. This is our R-Cube 3D printer. So we have considered that 3D printers will be a need of everyone in near future. So Ludhiana is also a hub of manufacturing. So keeping in mind, so we are trying to fabricate or manufacture 3D printers in-house or specifically in Ludhiana, so that we need not to import them from outside. Right. So we have made this 3D printer, designed all the components and assembled and made it from the scratch in-house. So the design is based on Core XY technique. So we have the components here, and it's a modular design, so we can mount different components in this design very easily. So it's a neat and clean design also. It's a product level or product ready design. So we can launch it very soon in the market also. And it's have a lot of features like IoT features. We have heated bed, heated chamber, and we can operate it wirelessly also. So it's a completely ready design. So we are now it's completely ready from our side. So soon we are going to launch it as a product.